Okay, so we're going to go over the CodeBuddy System Context Builder. Here I'm going to tell it about the app I want. So I want to create a web-based app that facilitates the creation and management of a project between the what I'm calling product owner / person who speaks on behalf of the product and the developer, person implementing the code. I want the app to be able to do the following things. First thing I want to be able to is collaborate. The collaboration. Well, no, actually, I want to do that in here. So let's see. I want to, after a developer submits work to a product owner, this app should be a place where the product owner can provide feedback, issues, or comments on the work that the developer can respond or fix issues. Next thing I want to be able to do is to manage a sprint delivery, a sprint work, meeting will have a predefined agenda, such as check-in, to review last review, sprint 3, prepare 4, issues, concerns, I don't know, billing, and 6, next meeting. These should include let's see, and then this should also include ability to add new work items. And then just lastly, app will help send notifications to product owner when certain items send that off. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Comprehensive application, focused on enhancing communication management between product owners and developers. Breakdown, key terms, sprint, set a period, usually 2 weeks. Good feedback, comments, reproduction steps, work item, a task or feature needs development or attention. Sprint delivery meeting followed by sprint, set agenda. Notification alert sent to the product owner. Good. 2 users types, product owner representative, the developer. High-level workflows, feedback and work item management. Developer submits work for product owner to review. Product owner provides feedback, including reproduction. Product owner can add a new item. Sprint delivery meeting, begin with check-in process, review demo, plan, prepare for the next sprint. Issues, concerns, billing schedule, system sends notifications. Let's go with those. Okay, so here's now where it's going to start planning 3 things. My workflows, my user types, and my definitions. My workflows are a typical use case within a software, such as a user, I want to be able to add a new item so that I can record all of these items that I want to build, and so that I can communicate that to a developer. User type is just the different roles within a software, such as, product owner or developer. And then the definitions, like we said, are just definition of things within the app, such as, what a sprint is, feedback, work item, sprint delivery meeting, notification. Items that typically put into like an object or a class there as well. Okay, so now we have the proposed definitions. So we have a sprint, it's a new one, feedback, work item, sprint, looks good. I can request revisions to this, but I like it, so I'm going to go ahead and accept the changes. Then the user types, product owner, person who provides feedback, adds a new work item, manages sprint. I do want to change this slightly. I want the developer to manage the sprint meetings agendas. Message that back. It's going to send updates on that. And so now the product owner is just who provides feedback and adds new work items. The developer is the person who implements the code, responds to feedback, and manages sprint meetings and agendas. So I'm going to accept those. All right, feedback, work item. These are my 3 workflows. Developer submits work for product owner to review. Product owner provides feedback, including reproduction steps. Or this is the first one. Product owner can add new workflow items for future sprints. I'm going to accept that. The next one is sprint delivery meeting management. Developer begins the meeting, review, next sprint, discuss issues, billing, schedule. Good. And then the next one is notification system sends a notification. Pretty straightforward. So now I've got 3 of these workflow items defined for this. It's set up that. And then I've also got my user types set up to as well. And then my definitions for the software. And as I'm ready to go ahead and start beginning this, I can either edit the workflow, or I can go in and delete the workflow. I can modify the workflow by typing back into RIDE, or I can just simply start planning the workflow here too as well.